Hey guys, it's Dawn here. I've got the DJI Neo and Flip here, and we're going to take them out, turn them on, take them out, see what they do, see how they play, and see how well they can follow and all the cool little features that they have. So thanks for joining me, and let's get started.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
There we go.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Medium. Follow. 3, 2. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. All right, guys. Hi. Are they both here? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Look. All right. So Neo is on close mode and Flip is on medium. Follow. Look at them both go. I don't want to go fast because one, I'm not wearing any gear, and two, I don't want them to have an accident. And this isn't about whether or not, oh my gosh, this isn't about, whether or not I can lose them, because I can. We have some wind here. This is more about just seeing how they do. I am so scared. Oh my gosh. I keep hearing their little wings going, and it's so loud, and it's like I've got angry hornets behind me. Calm. How are they doing? They are so behind me. They're like straight line behind me. It's crazy. All right, we're gonna pick up some speed and see how they react. Whew. Oh my gosh. I'm hearing lots of buzzing. All right, slowing down, turning. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. How fast am I going? I can't tell. Go a little faster. And I'm just on my M10-4, obviously. Oh, whoa! Oh my gosh! Neo, did you see Neo cut him off on the inside? Oh my gosh! Woo! I think they're competing. I think they think it's a race and they're competing. Oh my gosh. All right, let's do another. Oh, look at how wide Flip does his turns. That's why Neo can cut him off on the inside. Flip needs to learn about race lines. Watch him take this turn. Neo is right on my butt. Flip, well, to be fair, Flip is on medium follow, and Neo is on close follow. All right. I think that's good. And oh my, oh no, I heard a crash. What happened? Flip, what did you do? Did you kill him? Oh my gosh. I think Flip comes in. He's like, I am victorious. I am victorious. I killed Neo. Neo, are you okay? Oh, poor Neo.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
And he's good. Flip, do not do that to Neo. That's your little brother. And don't be mean. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna end this now. We don't want actual. Oh, look at them go through the gate. Let's see if they'll come into the garage. Look at them. Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of them. They're doing so. Oh my gosh, I can cry. They're doing so well. Oh my gosh, what is that? It's like they're fighting. Maybe it's a change of light from inside the garage to outside of the garage. But sometimes they're doing that. Flip is a little aggressive. Do you see the way he moves sometimes? He's a little scary. It's like I'm just being really chill here. Oh my! Oh, I think it was a collision. Oh no! They collided. They're both down. Oh. All right. Let's see. Flip, are you okay? Let's see, Flip.
Unable to take off. No storage available. Free up storage space.
What? Free up storage space? Oh no. So I'm not going to be able to do anything with him now until I clear out his internal. He only had 2 gigabytes of internal storage. Let's see about Neo.
Close. Follow. 3, 2.
Neo can still fly. Neo's the winner! Neo's the winner. Neo can still fly because he has 22 gigabytes of internal storage space. But of course, he doesn't have an external SD slot. So, all right. That's the results of today's little in-flight test between Neo and Flip. I will empty out Flip's puny 2 gigabyte internal storage, and then we can continue more tests later on. Thank you for joining me today, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.
So let's go ahead and take another look at Flip's attempted assassination of poor little Neo. I think there's a lot of jealousy involved. I think that these two should not be flown together ever again. They will be kept separate. Here you see him coming up to him, thinking about it, and then bam, right there. Look, oh, look at my little Neo just tossed around like that. But look how durable Neo is. Yay.